Welcome to a fitness journey that will take your strength, stability, and endurance to new heights all without a single movement. That's right. No need for weights, machines, or even cardio. Today, we're exploring 9 transformative isometric exercises that prove you can sculpt lean muscle, enhance endurance, and build strength by simply holding a position. These exercises challenge your body in ways you never thought possible, so buckle up and get ready for an exhilarating ride to a stronger you. The power of isometric exercises. Isometric exercises are a game changer because they allow you to engage muscles deeply, increase endurance, and enhance control all without moving through a range of motion. By simply holding specific positions, you activate muscle fibers, boosting strength and toning. The benefits are undeniable, but the beauty of isometric exercises is that they can be done anywhere, anytime, without the need for any equipment. Let's dive into each of these 9 exercises, starting with one that will engage your core like never before. 1. The mighty plank. We're starting off strong with the plank, one of the most renowned isometric exercises for your core. This exercise is a must for anyone looking to build a solid foundation of core strength. Holding the plank position activates every muscle in your abdomen, yes, every layer, from the deep transverse abdominis to the superficial rectus abdominis. But the benefits don't stop there. As you hold the plank, your glutes, shoulders, and lower back get involved, creating a full body synergy that improves posture, balance, and overall body control. The magic of the plank lies in its ability to provide enhanced spinal support and stability. Over time, regular plank practice can help reduce lower back pain, making your day-to-day movements more efficient and pain-free. How to do it? Start in a forearm plank position with your elbows aligned directly under your shoulders. Engage your core and maintain a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your core tight and hold for as long as you can, aiming for 30 seconds to start and gradually increasing the time as you get stronger. 2. Wall sits. Wall sits, also known as the squat hold, are an absolute powerhouse for transforming your lower body. When you slide down into a seated position against the wall, you're activating your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes in a deep, sustained contraction. This builds endurance, strength, and muscle tone, but there's more. Wall sits have an added benefit: cardiovascular health. The steady muscle engagement boosts blood circulation, which helps reduce arterial stiffness and improve blood flow. As a result, wall sits contribute to healthier blood pressure levels, and over time, they could even help reduce the risk of heart disease. How to do it? Slide your back against a wall and lower yourself into a seated position. Keep your knees at a 90-degree angle and your feet shoulder-width apart. Press your back flat against the wall and hold the position for 30 to 60 seconds. 3. Bicep curl hold. If you're ready to sculpt your arms and build upper body strength, the bicep curl hold is your new best friend. Unlike traditional bicep curls, this isometric exercise focuses on maintaining the contraction at the peak of the curl. This maximizes muscle recruitment and increases endurance without relying on momentum. The longer you hold, the more you stimulate muscle growth and definition. Over time, you'll notice that your biceps become more resilient and more defined. How to do it? Grab a light dumbbell or a resistance band. Curl the weight up, but instead of lowering it back down, hold it at the top. Keep your elbows locked at your sides and hold for 20-30 seconds. Repeat for 3 sets. 4. Dead hang. The dead hang might look simple, but don't be fooled, it's a deceptively powerful move. By hanging from a bar, you're not only building an unbreakable grip but also allowing your spine to decompress. This gentle stretch helps alleviate tension from daily activities like sitting or standing for long periods, and it's fantastic for improving posture. In addition to spinal decompression, the dead hang activates your lats, traps, and shoulder stabilizers. Over time, this strengthens your shoulders and improves overall upper body strength. How to do it? Grab a pull-up bar with an overhand grip. Hang with your arms fully extended and your feet off the ground. Try to engage your shoulder blades slightly to activate the muscles. Hold for 20-30 seconds, and repeat 3 sets. 5. Static lunge. The static lunge is a game changer for building lower body strength, improving balance, and refining proprioception, the sense of your body's position in space. By holding the lunge position, you engage your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes in a continuous contraction, which boosts muscular endurance. This move will not only make your lower body stronger but will also improve your ability to balance and perform dynamic movements. This is essential for preventing injuries and excelling in physical activities. How to do it? Start in a lunge position with one leg forward and the other knee hovering just above the ground. Keep your torso upright and your front knee directly above your ankle. Hold for 20-30 seconds per leg and repeat for 3 sets. 6. Glute bridge. Now, let's focus on your posterior chain with the glute bridge, a fantastic exercise for strengthening your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. By lifting your hips, you're not only targeting your glutes but also improving hip and pelvic stability. This is key in reducing lower back pain and improving your overall movement efficiency. How to do it? Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet planted firmly on the ground. Press through your heels to lift your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes at the top and hold for a few seconds before lowering slowly. Perform 15 reps, holding each at the top for 2 seconds. 7. Superman hold. Now it's time to activate your entire posterior chain with the Superman hold. This exercise is a total body strengthener, targeting your lower back, glutes, shoulders, and core. By lifting both your arms and legs simultaneously, you'll challenge your muscles in ways you never thought possible. Not only does this help in building endurance and improving spinal alignment, but it also plays a crucial role in preventing back pain and promoting a healthy posture. How to do it? Lie face down on the ground with your arms extended in front of you. Lift both your arms and legs simultaneously, squeezing your glutes and lower back. Hold for 20-30 seconds, focusing on controlled movements. Repeat for 3 sets. 8. Isometric push-up hold. Get ready for a twist on the classic push-up with the isometric push-up hold. This variation involves pausing at the bottom of the push-up, adding more time under tension for your chest, shoulders, and triceps. This extended hold increases muscle fiber activation and promotes greater strength and endurance. How to do it? Start in a push-up position with your body in a straight line. Lower yourself slowly and pause at the bottom for 3 seconds. Push back up with controlled power. Repeat for 8-10 reps, performing 3 sets. 9. Isometric neck exercises. Let's not forget about neck training. Strengthening your neck muscles is crucial for improving posture, preventing tension headaches, and reducing neck pain. It also contributes to better balance and injury prevention in everyday activities. How to do it? Slowly move your neck in different directions, forward, backward, and side to side. Maintain steady resistance throughout the movement. Hold each position for 10-20 seconds and repeat for 3 sets. Putting it all together, your full isometric workout plan. By now, you're probably itching to incorporate these isometric exercises into your routine. Here's how you can do that effectively to maximize your results. Day 1, core and upper body. Planks, 3 sets of 45 seconds. Isometric push-ups, 3 sets of 8-10 reps, 3-second hold. Dead hangs, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Bicep curl holds, 3 sets of 20 seconds per arm. Day 2, lower body and stability. Wall sits, 3 sets of 45 seconds. Static lunges, 3 sets of 12 reps per leg, 3-second hold. Glute bridges, 3 sets of 15 reps, 2-second hold at the top. Isometric neck exercises, 3 sets of 15-20 seconds per direction. Day 3, full body conditioning. Superman holds, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Planks, 3 sets of 45 seconds. These isometric exercises offer an incredible way to build strength, improve endurance, and sculpt a lean body without ever having to move. The best part is you can perform these exercises at home, and they require no special equipment. Incorporating them into your routine is a surefire way to transform your body, improve posture, and boost overall fitness. Ready to take your fitness to the next level? Stick with these exercises, stay consistent, and watch your body change in ways you've never imagined. If you're looking for even more strength building tips and tricks, check out the next video popping up on your screen now.